Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Finally, my much needed upgrade is here. If you've stayed down these past very inconsistent 6 years, then you've seen my growth. This is for us, okay? This content is gonna be content, child. Anyways, so the camera I decided to go with is the Canon EOS M50. I did so much research trying to find the perfect camera, not even knowing what I'm like looking for real. But I stumbled across this gem, okay? This camera is a DSLR quality, okay?
And I don't even know what that shit means.
Okay, has interchangeable lenses, and you can connect, which is my favorite part. Okay, this is my favorite part. You can connect to your Wi-Fi and drop your photos and videos to your iPad or iPhone. Oh my god. 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 This is a game changer for me, and I just was looking for something like that, very like, something very simple to where I can continue to use like my iPad, continue to edit my videos, because I already have like a software that I like using and I'm comfortable using. So, and it's on my iPad, so I'd rather use it on my iPad. So anyways, unboxing this camera. It came with a lot of little things that you should know about your camera and stuff like that, considering this is a refurbished camera that I ordered straight up off the Canon website. I made sure to get the warranty for at least like 2 years because this is a refurbished camera, so I just wanted to make sure everything was going to be running right. I did run through the manual and everything. I spread that up for you and doggy-eared what I needed to come back to or whatever. Now, because I never had a camera, an expensive thing like this, okay, to take care of, I was just kind of like going through and seeing what goes where. I was just trying to see for myself before I read all the way through the manual and everything. So it took me forever to figure out how to get the battery in there. And I know, and also I thought that was the lens. I didn't know that I had to go get a lens. So I didn't know that it didn't come with a lens. Girl, I thought I was ready to go straight up out the box. Girl, that's how I was finna roll. And that was not the case. I also needed to get an SD card, so I did have to end up coming back the next day after I made a purchase at Best Buy for a few more things, obviously. Okay, so about 12 hours, $263.56 later, yeah. I am back like I never left, period, on the next series. Okay, so we are back. Let me go ahead and get set up here. This is the girl of the hour, the Canon M50, and this is the new pickup. This is the lens I went and got. This is like a 22mm. I did not have nobody help me. I ordered it straight offline like a big girl because it was the cheapest thing that I saw, and it was able to be picked up the next day. Girl also got me an SD card because, like I said, I needed it. I didn't know these mugs came with 112 minutes on there. Girl, I didn't think that was enough for me. But anyways, back to Miss Girl here. Okay, the 22mm. Don't ask me all the technical names. I'm not going to give it to you. Okay, so I thought this was the outside lens. I thought that was dope. I was gonna say, oh my god, it goes with everything. And then I even did that and didn't even realize that it wasn't gonna be that way, girl. So I finally figured out how she was gonna go, how she was gonna lay, and it, after some difficulties, okay, trying to get on there, we were in action, and I was just so excited to figure out how to work this thing. Okay. Yo, I don't know. Yeah, y'all can. The quality, though, like, oh, I wish I could show y'all this. Hold on. I'm gonna try my best. Y'all, I never, ever thought I would see the fucking day. Like, no, I need the light. Hold on real quick. Hold on. I'm finna show y'all. Hold on. It's gonna focus. Sorry about my room being super messy. And of course, it doesn't want to come off as great as it looks on this one. Ah! The story times, like, oh my god, like, we are about to really do it up here. Like, welcome back to my channel. Y'all, okay. So I'm like really not a tech savvy person, which is why I worked with a phone as my camera for like the longest, because I was avoiding this. But the time was now, okay? I literally struggled for so long trying to figure out where this dang SD card was supposed to go. Not even reading the bottom of where it says to go. Another thing that I felt was risky for me was the fact that I didn't know exactly what kind of SD card this thing took. It could have been small, it could have been large, and I would have had just been out of $30 because I already opened the package. Anyways, okay, so when I finally found a way to get that in there, I played with it a lot, connected my Wi-Fi, and, you know, found a way to drop my videos into my iPad and everything, just so that y'all could see the quality that I'm about to show y'all in the next clip, okay? If you want a video on that, comment down below. Okay, so let's see here. Let me see if I can get some better lighting. Like, look at this quality. Like, it is, this shit crazy, dog. This crazy good. Also, I got myself connected here to my iPad, and I can see myself, I can move myself, I can see what I'm doing, shake my head. Yeah, what girl, stop fucking playing with me, don't play with me. So it does lag a little bit whenever like you find like the viewfinder part, and the best part, I don't even have to worry about nobody interrupting my calls or nothing. I can look, or my video, nothing, I can just answer hello. Look. Huh? Wendy's have an E. coli outbreak. You sure you want to eat there? Yeah, I ain't gotta worry about nobody interrupting me whenever I'm like recording a video. They're gonna call me and it's gonna be a thing. Girl, now all I gotta do is get a mic. So I went and got a tripod. I got everything else I needed. This lens actually is very freaking nice. So will I upgrade? I probably will. This lens actually didn't cost me that much. It cost me about $100-something. But see, I was looking for lenses and I came across some guy's YouTube channel, and he linked down all of these lenses, girl. And these lenses was almost like $1,000, girl. And I was just like, I didn't spend about $1,000 getting my upgrade package, okay? I don't need to spend no more money, so I didn't go ahead and get that. But I'm just so happy that I was able to upgrade my quality. I really hope that this like makes you guys want to stay around more. Definitely great content is coming. I'm not going to take up too much of the time. It's already about 2 minutes 37 seconds, so I'm out. Great quality camera. Now let's go ahead, Cece, you can go ahead and do your little voiceover and yeah, do it that way. Now how do I stop this shit? Hold on.
I told you I don't know how to work this thing.
I don't know how to stop it. So I know I'm not the most tech savvy person, but I knew what I was looking for when I was looking for a camera. I knew I wanted the quality. I knew I wanted the focus. I knew I wanted the simplicity to be able to basically drop my videos and or photos into an easy working, what would I call these things? Gadgets, girl, devices, what I would call them. Okay, yeah. So I knew I needed all of that, and then so I knew I would have definitely loved to have a mic. Okay, so I knew I was going to need a mic port or whatever, and like a little mic mount, which they have on top of the M50, which I really loved about that as well. I also knew I wanted to be able to see myself when I recorded, because I was probably going to do a lot of hand holding or whatever. My first option was the M200. I seen that on Walmart.com and I was thinking about going ahead and get it. Girl, I even did go as far as to get it, and basically it just didn't work out because they did not fulfill my order when I needed my order to be fulfilled, period. Okay, so I ended up going straight to the Canon website after searching high and low for an affordable camera where nobody was waxing and taxing, child. Okay, so I found a refurbished for about $400-something, and literally I just thank God so much that was right there in my budget. Okay, and it was the M50, and it had the mic and everything I needed. So God was definitely looking out for your girl and your channel, okay, and my people on this mug. And without y'all, I just probably wouldn't even have the, I don't know, No, I still would. I don't give a fuck. Okay, I was going to do this anyway. So I really appreciate that. If you joined, I really do appreciate you. Okay. If you have subscribed, like, comment, anytime at all. I know not everybody feels comfortable doing that, and I am one of those people, but like I said, you know, a like will go a long way. A like will definitely tell me that you really did enjoy the video, just as much as a comment would. So I definitely appreciate that. So with that being said, do not forget to do those few things for me. Don't forget to subscribe if this helped you, and if so, comment down below and tell me, what is your channel about? Have you started a channel? And what else do you want to see next on Nickelodeon? And I will see you guys in my next video. Whew, bye y'all. Now how do I stop this shit? Hold on.